how to fix ghost touch on a Samsung phone, icons automatically selecting and clicking on a Samsung device. To fix the ghost touch on a Samsung phone, you can first of all try to understand whether you dropped your phone or anything like that, because if you likely dropped your phone somewhere and the display got damaged, then that's where the ghost touch could be happening in the first place. But if that wasn't the case and it just automatically happened, check if your phone is heating or overheating itself. If you notice that your phone is in quite a hot temperature, then you might want to wait and let the phone cool down before you try to use your phone. Make sure that your brightness is not set to the maximum. Whenever you're using this brightness to the maximum also, that's when the phone starts to ghost touch, especially if you're in sunny environments. These are all the basic things. Aside from that, if you're using a screen protector or a case, make sure to try to remove the screen protector to see if the cause or if the issue is causing due to the screen protector. With a microfiber cloth, you can clean them and you can remove any water, because sometimes due to water touch also that could be happening, and you can try to force restart the device as well. I hope some of these may have helped to solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching, and to subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.